Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade spot, and then how to trade futures. Before we get started, if you haven't signed up for Binance yet, we've provided a link to a 20% commission discount in the video or in the comments. If you sign up through the link, you'll receive a 20% commission discount. If you're already registered and don't have access to the discount, log in and select Futures and USDSM Futures in the top left corner. On the right side of the Futures chart, you will see a blank space under Open Futures Account. Write T7J9MB5J in that space, and hit Open now to receive the commission discount. If you are an existing subscriber and have received a commission discount, or if your commission discount is low, we recommend signing up for a new account with the 20% link to receive a commission discount again. To trade, you'll need to hold coins in your spot and futures wallets. When you deposit coins, they'll be credited to your spot wallet immediately. So if you're trading futures, you'll need to move them from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Select Spot from the wallet icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your spot wallet. From there, find the list of coins you want to move to your futures wallet, and click on Trade on the right, which will bring up a list of options. Find Transfer and click on it. Select Fiat and Spot for From, and USDSM Futures for To. Set the quantity you want to send in amount, and hit Confirm to move the coins from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. To check if the transfer is complete, find Futures in the Assets section on the right. Click on it, and you will be taken to your futures wallet, where you can see that the transfer is complete if the amount of coins you sent is in your wallet. Conversely, if you want to move from your futures wallet to your spot wallet, go to Futures and do the same. Next, let's take a look at how to trade spot. Click Trade in the top left corner of the Binance homepage. Next, click on Spot, and you'll see a window that looks like this. In the top right corner, you'll see a search bar with a list of coins. Search for the coin you want here. In this video, we'll use ETH as an example. If you type in ETH in the search bar, you'll see BTC, USDT, TUSD, and BUSD after ETH. You can select BTC, USDT, TUSD, or BUSD based on your current asset holdings. Let's assume you own USDT, and select ETH USDT. Once you select ETH USDT, the chart will change. Scroll down and you'll see the spot window. Please choose whether to trade with limit or market right below. I'll show you how to trade with limit first. First, let's look at buying. So set the price on the buy side. If you're having trouble setting the price, you can tap the prices on the chart on the left to set the price. Once you've set the price, set the quantity next. You can also adjust the quantity by dragging the bar below. Once you have set the price and quantity, click Buy ETH to finalize your purchase. Conversely, if you want to exit the spot trade, you can sell the coins. To sell, set the same method as for buying, and hit Sell ETH to complete the sale. In the case of market, you don't need to set a price, because you are selling at the average market price. Just set the quantity, and press Buy ETH to buy and Sell ETH to sell. If you are trying to buy or sell with limit, you may not be able to finalize the transaction. In this case, scroll down a little further to see Open Orders. In Open Orders, you can see that the trades you placed are pending, because they were not executed. At this point, click the trash can icon on the far right to cancel the trade. After canceling the trade, you can proceed to buy or sell again. In the case of spot trading, you can benefit when the coins you buy are on the rise, and futures trading can benefit when they are on the rise or fall. Next, I'll introduce you to how to trade futures right away. To trade futures, hover your cursor over Futures in the top left corner, and click USDSM Futures. Once you're in the futures trading window, you'll see a pop-up window asking you to take a USDSM future squeeze. This is a futures quiz that you must take in order to proceed with futures trading. If the USDSM futures quiz does not appear, click Buy or Sell on the right. Then the USDSM futures quiz will appear. We're going to give you the answers to the USDSM futures quiz now, so please enter the correct answers in order. You can take your time with this USDSM futures quiz, because it will keep repeating until you get all the answers correct, even if you get them wrong. Look at the answers you see and enter them in order. The correct answers for the USDSM futures quiz are Q1, A2, Q2, A3, Q3, A2, Q4, A1, Q5, A3, Q6, A1, Q7, A2, Q8, A3, Q9, A2, Q10, A2, Q11, A3, Q12, A2, Q13, A1, Q14, A1. If you have completed the futures quiz, you are now ready to trade futures. To proceed with futures trading, you need to set up isolated cross position and leverage. First, let's see how to set up isolated position and cross position. You can choose between isolated position and cross position. Simply click on the part that says cross in the up right corner. Isolated position means that you will only lose your investment when the trade is liquidated using only your investment. Cross position uses both your investment and the equity in your USDSM futures wallet as collateral. For example, let's say your total equity in your wallet is $100, and you invest $50, and the liquidation price is $25. In this case, if the isolated position reaches $25, the trade position will not be maintained, and the trade will end. Unlike an isolated, a cross position will not be liquidated when it hits $25. And if you use the last $50 in your futures wallet to hold the trade, you will be liquidated when your wallet reaches the liquidation price. For these reasons, if you are unfamiliar with futures trading, I recommend you position yourself as isolated position. Once you've set it up, click OK, and if you click 20x right next to it, you can set the leverage by dragging the mouse. Leverage is a system that allows you to make or lose more money by a set multiple. The maximum ratio of leverage varies from coin to coin, with some coins supporting up to 125x. For example, if you enter a trade with $100 and use a leverage factor of 10x, a 10% win will result in a $10 profit, which, if you multiply by 10x, will result in a total profit of $100. On the other hand, if you lose $10, and if you leverage it up to 10x, you lose a total of $100, which is enough to get you liquidated if your position is isolated. Leverage can be both beneficial and detrimental, so it's best to start with a low multiplier and work your way up as you gain experience. Tap BTC/USDT in the top left corner of the chart to bring up a list of coins. Search for the coin you want and select it. Once you've made your selection, you can set up your trade on the right. First, click on Cross to open a window, where you can set whether you want to cross or isolate. Next, set the leverage. Next, select Limit Market, and if you want to trade with limit, set the price. Please note that the price will be set automatically when you press Order Book. Next, set the quantity, which can be entered directly, or by adjusting the bar below to enter the quantity. If you think the coin will go up, select Buy Long, and if you think it will go down, select Sell Short. You will then see your position at the bottom. If you don't have a position, click Open Orders and you'll see that it's still waiting to be filled. If the trade hasn't been executed and is still waiting, it means that the trade hasn't been executed for the amount of coins you specified, so you can cancel the trade by clicking the trash can icon in the far right corner, and then either trade again with a different amount or wait for the trade to be executed for the specified amount. From left to right, symbol is the name of the coin you are investing in. Size, the price including leverage. Entry price, the price you entered at. Mark price is the current market price. Margin is the amount you invested. P&L, ROE percent, is the current profit margin. And most importantly, there is the leak price, which is the liquidation price. If the current market price reaches the amount shown here, your position will be closed, and you will lose all the margin you opened. In other words, your entire investment will be liquidated. Additionally, Binance has a stop-loss feature that can prevent this liquidation. On the far right, you'll see TP-SL. You can prevent liquidation here by clicking on the note and pencil symbol, and placing a TP-SL order like this. Take profit USDT is the profit price, and stop-loss USDT is the stop-loss price. If you enter the desired amount here, the profit and stop-loss settings will be completed automatically. Then, when the current market price reaches the set take profit price, the profit is automatically taken. And similarly, when the set stop-loss price is reached, the stop-loss is automatically taken. Finally, let's talk about how to organize your positions. There are 3 ways to organize your positions. The first is if you have multiple positions and want to close them all, you can click Close All Positions to close them all. The second way is to close at the market price, and there are 2 fields under Close All Positions, where you can enter the quantity you want to sell in the right field, and hit Market to exit at the market price. Finally, you can close at a limit price. Similarly, you can enter the quantity you want to sell in the right box, and then the price you want to sell in the left box, and then hit Limit to close the trade at the limit price. In today's video, we've learned how to trade spot and futures. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And we'll end today's video here. Thank you for watching.